Hey guys, we are at the Quinta Antigua in Lázaro Cárdenas. We paid 59 Canadian dollars a night to stay here, and yeah, it's a nice basic room. Big king-size bed. It's actually a very big room. Little table, LCD TV, fridge, which we haven't always been seeing, safe, big closet, and yeah, nice big bathroom here too with a rain shower head. Anyways guys, we'll catch you in the next bit. Good morning, adventure amigos.
Good morning.
Hey guys, this morning we are in Lázaro Cárdenas. Yesterday we drove about 5 hours from Acapulco. And yeah, we got in a little later last night, so just hit the hotel, had dinner, and kind of hit the hay. So we'll just have a couple quick clips this morning. Lázaro Cárdenas is a port city in Mexico with a population of about 180,000 people. And it is named for the 1934 president of Mexico of the same name.
Yeah, we're just going to do a little walking around, then we're getting on our road to Manzanillo. We'll see you there.
Para mi gente.